As you can see, here we have a book from Amazon, the price of which is $13. And this product has received 130,000 rates. And with this account, this book is more than $1.5 million in profit for the buyer. Keep in mind, this is regular product and these numbers are typical on Amazon. In this video, I want to teach you how to create such books in a few minutes using the ChatGPT and Leonardo websites. First of all, let's get to know the Leonardo website. Leonardo is a website that works with AI and is one of the best alternatives to midjourney. As you know, in the last few months, midjourney has removed the free access and you can only use this program by paying a fee. Registration on this website is very simple and you can open an account on this website with just an email address. But in Leonardo, you can access this website completely free of charge. You can use 150 coins every 24 hours. Each of these coins produces an image for you. Another option that made me happy to use Leonardo is that this website gives you the ownership of the images you produce, which means that you are the owner of that image and you are the creator of this image. But there is no such thing in other AI image generator websites, and you have to pay to be the creator of your images. Firstly, I'll show you how you can get access to Leonardo. Firstly, go to their site and then at the top right click on Get Early Access and input your email. You'll be redirected to a welcome page where you'll be asked to join their Discord service. Now you don't necessarily need a Discord account, unlike midjourney. Leonardo's generation happens on the web, so you can skip this step. You'll have to fill in this form in order to get accepted into the whitelist. However, it does seem like the whitelisting process is a little bit broken at the moment, and you can simply use this app without being whitelisted. To do that, you'll have to go back to their main site and then on the top right click on Launch App and then yes, I'm whitelisted. You'll then be redirected to your Leonardo dashboard. Here you'll be able to look at past creation that were made using Leonardo. All of these are super high quality and most of them are much better than what you'd be able to get with midjourney. What I really like about this is that it offers the ability to see the prompt and all the settings that we use to generate this exact image. You're also able to go through stage or version of the artwork. And some even offer these without a background, meaning that you'd be able to generate images without worrying about removing the background later on. Now, how can we make a picture for ourselves? From the left side of the website, select the AI image generation option from the top part of your website. You can write your prompt. And in the left part, you can make settings related to your image. In the first part, you choose how many images will be generated for you. By using this option, you can increase the image creation power, but it takes 2 times the token from you. You can adjust the size of your image from this section. This section also adjusts the image creation power. Set this option to number 7 because this number has been tested and will give the best result. This option is also for repeating pattern or background. If you are looking for a repeating image, don't forget this option. With the image to image option, you create a new image using the image you have. With the image prompt option, you will get an output closer to what you intended using the text you gave the bot and this image. So what scenario are we going to follow now? We should first ask ChatGPT to create a summary of an interesting story for us. Now we have to send him the short story that ChatGPT made for us and ask him to make a story with 5 chapters for us. After that, we go to the Canva website and choose a template for the story to put the text in it. And in the last step, using the explanations we gave about Leonardo, we find the pictures related to the website and put them in our storybook. Well, I sent this text to ChatGPT and asked him to make some short stories for me. And I am sending it to ChatGPT again and I request that you deliver me a story with 5 chapters with this short story. Now, as you can see, I was able to get a very interesting story with 5 chapters from ChatGPT and sell it as a product. Now we enter the Canva website. If you don't have an account on this website, you should know that creating an account on this website was completely free and easy. Now in the search section, enter storybook templates to find ready templates in this area. As you can see, there are many templates and you can choose any one you want and put your text in it. And for example, I choose this template, and as you can see, this template has 26 pages and I can easily put all my text in it. Now we go into ChatGPT and copy the text and paste it into the template. If the subject of your story is the same as the subject of the templates, you can use the same images that are placed for you in all moods. And if your subject is not the same, use Leonardo. We go into Leonardo and create an image for each page of our story and put it in the template. Now we get the output and we can put this product in Amazon website or any other website where books can be sold and have unique sales. Keep in mind that if the number of storybooks you make is more, the probability of your storybook going viral will be higher. So let's try to make several storybooks so that you can get good results faster. Thank you for staying with us until the end of this video. Write your questions in the comments. All of them will be answered as soon as possible. If you like this video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel